Welcome back, students. We will continue with chapter number 7, Coins and Notes. Let's revise some sums. 10 notes of rupees 10 and 2 notes of rupees 50 are the two different changes for a 100 rupee note. So, the value of 100 rupee note is 10 times the value of a 10 rupee note and twice the value of a 50 rupee note. 4 notes of rupees 500 and 20 notes of rupees 100 are the two different changes for a 2000 rupee note. So, the value of a 2000 rupee note is 4 times that of a 500 rupee note, and the value of a 2000 rupee note is 20 times that of a 100 rupee note. Students, now we are going to learn how to solve word problems. So let's see the first example. Ajay has 9 notes. The value of those notes is rupees 500. Which notes does Ajay have and how many of each? So let's solve it. 8 notes of rupees 50, that is equals to 50 multiplied by 8. The answer is rupees 400. 1 note of rupees 100, that is equals to 100 multiplied by 1. The answer is rupees 100. So rupees 400 plus rupees 100, that is equals to rupees 500. Thus Ajay could have 8 notes of rupees 50 and 1 note of rupees 100. Moving on to the next example. Harsh wants to buy a notebook worth rupees 45. Harsh gives a 50 rupee note to the shopkeeper. How much change does Harsh receive from the shopkeeper? Now we will see how to solve this sum. Harsh gave to the shopkeeper rupees 50 and the cost of a notebook is rupees 45. So rupees 50 minus rupees 45, that is equals to 5. Therefore Harsh should get back rupees 5 from the shopkeeper. Moving to the next example. Shilpa purchased a toy worth rupees 700. She gave the shopkeeper 2 500 rupee notes. How much money does she get back? Let's solve this sum. Shilpa gave the shopkeeper 2 notes of rupees 500, that is equals to 500 multiplied by 2. The answer is rupees 1000 and the cost of a toy is rupees 700. So rupees 1000 minus rupees 700, that is equals to rupees 300. Therefore Shilpa should get back rupees 300 from the shopkeeper. Moving on to the next example. Minu has 10 rupee 1 coins and her friend has 6 rupees 2 coins. Who has more money? Now we will see how to solve this sum. So amount of money with Minu, that is equals to 10 multiplied by rupee 1. So the answer is rupees 10. Amount of money with her friend is equals to 6 multiplied by rupees 2. The answer is rupees 12. As 12 is greater than 10, so her friend has more money. Next example. Ram spent rupees 2000 on clothes, rupees 350 on shoes and rupees 1175 on a wristwatch. He had rupees 4500 with him. How much money is left with him now? Students, let's see how to solve this sum. Here Ram's expenditure on clothes rupees 2000, on shoes rupees 350, on watch rupees 1175. So Ram's total expenditure equals to 2000 plus 350 plus 1175, that is equals to rupees 3525. Moving on to the next step. Total money with Ram was rupees 4500. His total expenditure was rupees 3525. So rupees 4500 minus rupees 3525, that is equals to rupees 975. Therefore, Ram has rupees 975 left with him. Students, hope you have understood this chapter of coins and notes.